Hello, everyone. The next app I chose is Prodigy Math Game. While I don't always like this type of drill type of learning, I do find this particular app valuable. And the reason with that, for my thoughts on that, is that it provides students with personalized instruction based on their ongoing work and a placement test, which runs just like a game in the background while the students do their work. So it became clear to me this year, especially with my fourth and sixth grader, that if there is a lack of understanding and automaticity with math facts, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, or a lack of understanding of what fractions are, that creates a huge barrier for students to excel in higher level math. And because we're so often forced to move forward with teaching content because there's so much content to teach in a classroom, I feel like they do need some type of math drills to really solidify that learning, because unmastered content like that continues to grow each year and the unlearned content piles up, and then you have a huge gap of what they don't know that they should have known just because they didn't have time to practice those skills. So I feel like if a student were to do this, they could, if they needed it, use it for remediation, but also it could be used to extend learning as well, because it automatically adapts to what your students know and don't know. It's available for students in grades 1 through 8. And I also found that this would be useful because you could use the data provided as feedback to grade level meetings, for parents at meetings and conferences, in IEP meetings. You could use it with your co-teachers and colleagues to plan lessons and centers. It has a lot of uses, even though it is just a basic game. So when you go to the website, you're going to click login. You'll have to create your account, which I already did. So you click create your classroom and you add students. I added my own students, but you can upload them, or you can create a class, you can give them a code. So there's all kinds of questions that can be answered here. And then the students basically just log on and they play the game, and then you can look at the report and see where they're at. They provide you also with the instructions on how to have students log in. They give you this sheet to send home with each student so that they can play at home as well. And so you don't have to create anything here other than making an account and having your kids sign up. And then you have some valuable feedback on their math skills so that you can make sure that in your class that they're not, piling more unlearned content into the gap that they already have. Thanks.